In this walkthrough, we will see how you can add an Azure DocumentDB account that you want to manage through the team edition of Cloud Portam. Before you could add an Azure DocumentDB account, there are certain things that you would need. First, you would need the DocumentDB account name. Then you would need the account key. It could be either the primary or the secondary account key for the DocumentDB account. And the third thing that you would need is the location, or rather data center location, where this DocumentDB account is located. And we can find this information from Azure Management Portal. So let's head on to Azure Management Portal and see how you can find this information. So here I am on the preview Azure Management Portal. So first what I will do is I'll click on Browse, then scroll down, I will click on DocumentDB accounts, and now what I'm seeing is the list of all the DocumentDB accounts, and this is the name of my account, Cloud Portam DocDB, and its location is West US. So I will make a note of that. Next, I will click on this account because the only thing now I'm interested in is the account key. So I will click on the keys here, and I can see my primary key and the secondary key here, and I can use any of them. So let me just copy this primary key to the clipboard. So now I have all the information that I need. So let's head on to Cloud Portal and see how you can add this particular DocumentDB account. So here I am on the Cloud Resources dashboard, and this is where I will add this DocumentDB account. So as we saw in other walkthroughs, to add a cloud resource, you can either click here and then click on the Add DocumentDB account, or I can just right click and click on this Add DocumentDB account. So let me just click that, and now I have to put in my account name, and I will paste the account key, and I know that my account is located in the West US region, so I provided this information. One thing that you have to keep in mind is when you are entering the account name, you just have to put the account name. You don't have to put the full URL of your DocumentDB account. So I have provided this information, and now I will click on next. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Essentially with Cloud Portam, you have an option of saving the account key with Cloud Portam. If you don't want to save the account key with Cloud Portam, simply uncheck this box and Cloud Portam will not save the account key. What this would mean is anytime you use or anytime you try to manage this DocumentDB account, you have to input the account key. Now, if you want Cloud Portam to save the account key, then you have to check this checkbox, and you get two options. First is either you encrypt and save account key on my computer. In this case, Cloud Portam encrypts the account key and then save it in this browser's local storage. The second option is encrypt and save account key in Cloud Portam's database. In this case, Cloud Portam encrypts your account key using industry standard encryption algorithms and then save it in its database. For the team edition, it is recommended that you go with this option so that you don't have to share your account key with your team users. Group, as we discussed earlier, provides logical categorization of your cloud resources. So this is where you can change the group. For now, we will leave it to default. Friendly name is an optional thing where you can give an alternate name to your cloud resource. So in this case, if I want to give some another name to my DocumentDB account, I can do that. So let me just put here Cloud Portam DocumentDB account. Now when I click on the finish button, what will happen is first Cloud Portam will verify or rather validate if the account key that you have entered is correct, and then it will save the information in the database. So let's click on the finish button, and now it is doing all the validations and trying to save the DocumentDB account in its database. And here we see that okay, this account has been added into Cloud Portam, and now I can click here and I can start managing this DocumentDB account. So this is how easy it is to manage or to add a DocumentDB account into Cloud Portam Team Edition.